welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I was not to make any video news because I was so lazy and little bit busy like that. In this video I want to make some tutorial how to reset password your container in Proxmox like that. And now I have some container in my Proxmox lab like that, and then you have some case about you cannot enter your container because maybe you forgot, or maybe you was working and your company have some Proxmox, and then the old employee like that just don't give you about the access, but your Proxmox still have a container like that. So I have one container in here in test. I want to enter about user password like root. I don't know what password, or I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot my password, thing like that. So how can I do that? I just need to reinstall or not? No. So basically it's so easy. You don't need to panic like that. First you need to go to the node. In this node my name is Devargas, and then you can choose the cell, and after in the cell you can type like the PCT. This is a command, and what the next is the number ID of your container. My container is have ID 100 like that, so I just want to enter the container like that. So the command is pct enter, the ID is 100. Okay, now I was enter this container. So this is container. Okay, I'm using Debian 12 like that. The name is Ragas, is same like the container name in here in left. And then you just need to write pass with the root. After you just need to change with your password like that. In here I will use a test dummy 123123 like that. After password update successfully, so you can type exit like that. You come back to normal cell in the node, and after you enter the Ragas like that, the container, and then after that you just need to put login root, and then type the new password, and then yeah, you can enter the container like that. It's so easy. So basically you don't need to panic, or you don't need to do something hard like that. So this is just a simple tutorial. I will make another tutorial again like that, but for now I just give you some information about like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this helping you. So see you. Thank you.